Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can block somebody on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do, as you can see I'm on my chats window right now, you want to go into a chat with the person you want to block. For example, let's say my friend here. Then you want to press on the eye or on their sort of profile picture, and then you'll get to this here screen. Now, as you can see under privacy and support, there is a block button which you can easily use. If I press it, it'll ask for you to block the person you're trying to block, and that'll block them on not only Messenger but on Facebook as well. So make sure that you are 100% certain that you want to block them, and once you block them, they'll be unfriended, they won't be able to send you messages, etc., etc. Pretty much everything the block button is used for. Then afterwards you can unblock them by searching them up on Facebook. I'm not sure if you can do that through Messenger or not, but you can go to Facebook, look them up, and unblock them if the situation ever arises. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as simple as that. You could go to Facebook directly and block them from there, but that's just extra steps. If you want to do it through Messenger, you can. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.